Welcome back to another KodeKloud Engineer task. The requirement is simple. The Nautilus project needs the Git package installed on all application servers. Let's start by connecting to our first server using SSH. Once we are in, we need to switch to the root user to install packages. Now, we install Git. I'm using a -y install Git. The -y flag is a great time saver. It automatically answers yes to the prompts, so the installation runs without interruption. We have to repeat this exact process for App Server 2 and App Server 3. I'll run git ---- version to make sure it's actually installed. Let's hit that check button. And there we go, task completed successfully. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Linux and DevOps solutions. See you in the next task. Thanks for watching.